Alexander and Demetrius here with Melanin Coaster Network. We are at the Sirens Curse preview. We are about to climb 160 feet in the air and ride through the course at about 60 miles an hour. Single pivot point here at the top of the lift hill. Super excited to see what this is all about. Sirens Curse, Vekoma Tilt Coaster at Cedar Point. Well, brother, we're going.
This is it.
Oh, look at this.
Man.
Really quick lift hill.
Yes.
So that's good. I think the anticipation during the tilt is going to be insane.
Wow. We're at the top of the hill already. That was quick.
Okay. Nice views of the lake, the park. I'm trying to distract myself by talking. Wow. We are really out here, like right at the edge, it feels like.
I don't know about this tilt.
Oh, man.
We're going to find out.
My hands are sweating. Oh.
Oh.
Something's happening.
I feel like it. Oh, we tilting.
Okay.
We're tilting. We're
Here
tilting.
we go. Here we go,
are
guys.
tilting.
Oh,
This is crazy.
Oh,
Oh my goodness. Oh goodness.
oh my God.
Hey!
Oh!
Oh! Over the first hill. That time.
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh! Barrel roll.
Yes.
Oh!
Very smooth ride. Oh.
Whoa! Oh!
This is crazy. It's crazy.
Oh, this is glass smooth.
Smooth ride.
Oh!
Ah.
Oh!
Yeah.
Little Papa Bear time. Oh! Oh!
Bear time, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Very good.
That was insane.
Very smooth ride. Very smooth ride.
Glass smooth. I thought I was gonna be able to predict the elements as they hit, but it was super unpredictable, fast. That ride is insane. That tilt, the anticipation.
Yeah.
It reminds me of maybe the first experience on a dive coaster.
Right.
That anticipation.
Right.
But
right.
different.
Right.
And the hanging there like that. I mean, I felt like the blood was rushing to my brain.
Especially at a 90-degree angle. That's what got it.
Yeah. Insane. You gotta get here and ride this, folks.
Great ride.